Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and they've noticed when they start moving things around with the shape tool that they have some other colors behind there and wanted to know how to deal with that. Well, one, you could just probably grab it and grab it, come on, and move it out of the way. Why am I having so much trouble? Move it out of the way, but you'd want to nudge and see there's that yellow background. So if realistically we want to nudge, if you want to use that one, let's see how big this thing is. 6 inches, I'm going to set my nudge factor on 7. So you would grab the black and nudge it out of the way, and then all you'd have to do is come in here and swipe and grab all the other black, and then you have this. These are called yin-yangs, and now you could manipulate the nodes without that fear of having another color back there. But this isn't, to me, unless this is something sentimental or somebody drew or whatever, it's not a perfect yin-yang because the tail of the black cat doesn't equal the tail of the white cat. So this is something you can find off the internet. I found this one that's actually pretty close. But to me, it's not true because they've got a spike off the circle. So I found this one off the internet and it's crystal clear. And to me, it's a better, because every piece is exactly the same. I mean, the white cat is equal to the black cat. Unless this is something really important, I would just search the internet. I search yin yang, and just a little insight. If you go to tools, it'll come up with, you can pick large ones in black and white, and then when you hit enter, all these files will be quite large. This one's over 1,000 dots per inch, both direction. This one is a little less, but it gives you, see, that's more the one that he kind of had in a way. Anyway, hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.